What the Tech is sponsored by EPB Fiber Optics. Visit EPB.com to find the speed you need on Chattanooga's only network, delivering 25 gig speeds.
The Supreme Court of the United States is reviewing a 25-year-old law called Section 230. It concerns whether companies and websites can be held responsible for things posted on their platforms. Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker has a closer look at the law and how it might affect every person who uses social media.
Section 230 came along way before Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, but if that law is changed much at all, it could affect all of those platforms and their billions of users. And to get a better idea of what's at stake, I spoke with Adam Chiera, who is an associate communications professor at Hartford University.
So right now, the court needs to decide, are these platforms providers of content or publishers of content?
The case before the court is about terrorist recruiting videos that weren't just available on YouTube, but actually recommended by its algorithm. Google attorneys contend YouTube is protected by Section 230, but since the videos were recommended,
if the courts decide, yeah, that does push you to the publisher's side, then that will just completely upend the internet, because now all companies, all websites and social media companies will have to also, abide by that rule.
Facebook and Twitter already block posts deemed threatening or offensive, and many users report some of their posts about their religion have put them in quote-unquote Facebook jail. Chiara says any change to Section 230 that effectively makes these companies open to lawsuits could result in more blocked posts and users.
So they may just overcorrect and block everything.
That is a concern, especially if it's a broad ruling. That is a concern. How much restriction on speech will there be? Because we just don't know, what these companies, how afraid they're going to be of just being stuck in the court all the time.
Based on testimony so far, Supreme Court justices are reluctant to any broad changes to Section 230. But if it is changed at all, it could still have ramifications for those platforms and the people who use them. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.